gonna do some sewing today. My lovely daughter got this beautiful dress for Christmas, but even though Santa knew what size she was, it's totally the wrong shape. So, excuse me, the waist is way too big, and you think, well, just throw a belt on it, but it's really, really big. So we need to bring all this in. I'm going to start with a new fabric. What I'm going to use this dress for is the pattern. So I'm going to I'm going to fix it, excuse me. I'm going to see where the changes need to be made, and then I'm going to suck it in. And then I'm going to take all the pieces apart and use it as pattern pieces to make a new dress for her, because I can't really extend the bottom without making it look funny. Although I am hoping to turn this dress into a proper fitting dress and actually use it by putting on a strip of colored fabric and then a strip of black after that. We thought maybe that would make it look natural and not make it look like I'm just trying to make it look longer. So I'm gonna suck it in. I'm gonna pin it and measure, and then we'll get it off you and we'll make a whole new dress. Finished, and they turned out really good. So this was the original that I took apart. I didn't take all the pieces apart. I realized I only needed to take a few pieces apart, and I got it all back together, fitting properly. Do a little slow twirl. See, the waistline now fits very nicely, and we accented it with a belt. And I actually didn't mind the length of the dress. I thought it was a little bit short, but I don't mind the petticoat sticking out underneath. I kind of like it. I thought that was really pretty. So this one worked out. And then I made a blue one out of it. And then I decided to do one more before I put this back together. So we made a teal colored dress because that's my daughter's favorite color. And here is our beautiful blue dress that we made from the black one. I think it turned out really good. The fabric is pretty stretchy. I realized it was see-through, so I doubled up. I love the way it flows. It's a lot like water. It reminds me of the Cinderella dress. Go ahead and do a twirl. It did give me a lot of trouble, but there were some perks. It doesn't fray, which I thought was awesome. So it kind of evened it out. And here's our final dress. My daughter's favorite color. Do a little twirl. This one's just a cotton polyester dress, so it was really easy to work with, really fast to put together. And then we found some belts in their drawers and made a little color pop there. So anyway, this was a great success. If you ever need a pattern, just buy a dress you like and take it apart, and then you can make a bunch of them. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for lots more fashion beautiful tips, because we love girly things around here, and I am a sucker for vintage fashion. I just love this vintage look. It just seems so classy, and it will never go out of style in my opinion. Same with the bun. So all right, we'll see you in the next video.